Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to address a matter of great significance and concern unfolding in Pakistan's political landscape. It involves the former Prime Minister, Imran Khan, and his wife, Bushra Bibi, who have been sentenced to 7 years in jail for a violation of Islamic marriage law, just a week before the national elections. The court ruling stems from a case filed by Bibi's former husband, Kawar Manika, who claims that his ex-wife did not adhere to the required 3-month break under Islamic law before marrying Khan. This development comes as part of a series of legal challenges faced by Imran Khan, with 2 other convictions earlier in the week, one related to leaking a confidential cable and another concerning the illegal sale of gifts received during his tenure as Prime Minister. Critics, including officials from Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party, have expressed concerns about the speed at which these judgments were passed, questioning the legitimacy of the cases. The implications are far-reaching, casting a shadow over the upcoming elections, in which Khan is barred from contesting. Furthermore, the PTI has faced a crackdown, being denied the use of its election symbol. Despite these challenges, surveys continue to indicate Khan as the country's most popular leader. It is crucial to recognize the complexity of the situation and the potential impact it may have on Pakistan's political landscape. As we witness these developments, let us reflect on the principles of justice, fairness, and the democratic process. The PTI has announced its intention to appeal the sentencing in a higher court, emphasizing the need for a thorough examination of the legal proceedings. In conclusion, we will closely monitor how this situation unfolds in the coming days and its broader implications on the political future of Pakistan. The challenges faced by Imran Khan and the PTI underscore the importance of upholding the rule of law and ensuring a fair and transparent electoral process. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As we approach the upcoming elections in Pakistan, it is crucial to scrutinize the promises made by political parties, especially concerning the empowerment of women. Today, I bring to your attention an analysis of the manifestos of major political players, PPP, PML-N, PTI, JI, and MQM-P, focusing on what they pledge for the next 5 years regarding women's issues. Starting with the Pakistan People's Party, PPP, their manifesto outlines a comprehensive strategy for women's empowerment. Economic goals include gender-equitable distribution of resources, social safety nets, vocational training, and gender-inclusive land reforms. However, the analysis suggests the need for a more transformative approach addressing root causes and an intersectional perspective, considering diverse experiences. On healthcare, the manifesto primarily focuses on maternal health and family planning, overlooking other crucial health issues women face. The political and legal front promises addressing CNIC registration issues and establishing a code of conduct to combat misogyny, positively impacting women's representation. Moving on to the Pakistan Muslim League (Nawaz), PML-N, their manifesto presents initiatives across economic development, legal safeguards, well-being, education, and political representation. The focus on financial protection, anti-dowry laws, and economic participation is commendable. However, the analysis calls for a more transformative economic model and emphasizes the need for a proactive legal system to combat gender-based violence. The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) provides a comprehensive plan for women's empowerment, encompassing economic, social, cultural, health, political, and educational aspects. While laudable, the analysis suggests a need for effective implementation strategies, a focus on diverse voices, and consideration of diverse learning needs in education. Jamaat-e-Islami (JI) proposes measures focusing on education, inheritance, and workplace policies. While acknowledging positive steps, the analysis recommends addressing gender biases in education, realistic steps for legal changes, and an explicit intersectional feminist perspective. Finally, the Muttahida Qawmi Movement Pakistan, MQM-P, envisions women's empowerment through effective legislation, public awareness, and increased representation. The analysis highlights the need for measures beyond laws, questioning the effectiveness of harsh punitive measures, and emphasizing active community involvement. In conclusion, as we evaluate these manifestos, we must recognize that promises alone may not bring about genuine change. The analysis raises concerns about the length and depth of these commitments, urging political parties to move beyond surface-level changes. For women in Pakistan, facing challenges in both rural and urban areas, the need for transformative and radical measures cannot be overstated. We must question whether these words will translate into tangible improvements or remain hollow aspirations unless there is a genuine will to upend the status quo. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I bring your attention to the concerning situation in Pakistan as the country approaches its general elections on February 8. Former Prime Minister Imran Khan, facing multiple legal challenges, appears surprisingly nonchalant in the face of a potential 10-year jail sentence. His trial, conducted in camera within a jail complex, has raised questions about the fairness of the proceedings, with public and media banned. Khan, at 71, is grappling with over 180 charges, making a return to power seem increasingly difficult. The legal onslaught extends beyond him to his Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party, with arrests, resignations under duress, and alleged gerrymandering of constituency boundaries. The election environment is far from fair, according to Patricia Gossman from Human Rights Watch. The U.S., being a significant ally and source of aid for Pakistan, has not taken a stronger stance against these alleged irregularities. The reasons for this may be both personality-driven and structural. Imran Khan's relationship with the U.S. has been strained, and the true power in Pakistan lies with its military. With the military playing a significant role in the nation's politics, the U.S. may see the choice of political office as secondary, given the historical influence of the military. As Pakistan navigates through these challenges, concerns about a rigged election, potential street violence, and economic repercussions are looming. The Biden administration's reticence may have broader implications, and as the situation unfolds, we must closely watch the impact on democracy, stability, and regional dynamics in this nuclear-armed nation. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to your attention a recent development that aims to enhance voter facilitation and accessibility in Pakistan. The Election Commission of Pakistan (ECP), in collaboration with the National Database and Registration Authority (NADRA), has introduced a convenient SMS service for eligible voters to check their registration status. This service, effective from January 29, was previously charged at 2 rupees per message, but has now been made free of charge. The objective behind this initiative is to promote greater civic engagement and encourage participation in the electoral process. To check their registration status, voters simply need to send a text message with their computerized National Identity Card (CNIC) number to 8300. It is important to enter the CNIC without any hyphens or spaces. In response, voters will receive detailed information about their constituencies, polling stations, and block codes. The ECP emphasizes the significance of voters bringing their NICs to the polling station on election day, even if the CNIC is expired or if voters are using a token issued for the issuance of a new CNIC, they can cast their votes without any hindrance. This step is a positive move towards transparency and ease of access in the electoral process, fostering a more engaged and informed electorate. Thank you.